really nice. Expensive though. If you get house, you can get that one.
I know. Oh, this one. This
A lot of space. See, they have water. That one is cool water too.
25. You draw something right here. Oh, we got this too. Yeah, probably this.
Look the freezer inside.
The freezer's down here.
It's big, I say.
You got a drawer. I don't know if this is a freezer or this is just a more fridge. You can put stuff down there. Vegetables. Yes, vegetables.
That one is nice. This one is 4,000. This one no water. But it's funny size. That one. Tingnan mo presyo. Oh my God, don't price. That one we need. How much that one?
169.
The one we can bring, we can buy that one for the house. In the kitchen.
We're in the kitchen. I'm gonna put this.
You know the table there? It's out. It's out that goes wrong. You can stack that. Or all good smells. You can cook. So you get the water just where you go? Toolbox. Rug. How much?